Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Samhi Hotels. Our analyst maintains positive view on Samhi Hotels with a potential upside of 26%. Quarter 3 of FY24 is expected to be strong quarter, with the company expected to register 15% year-on-year rise in ARR and occupancy at 71%. In the medium long term, a 14 to 15% growth in matured portfolios, RevPAR, incremental revenues coming from new room addition and upgradation in recently acquired ACIC portfolio will help revenues and EBITDA to grow at CAGR of 20% and 24% over FY23 to 26. respectively. Debt repayment would help significant reduction in interest costs. Thus, with expected strong operating performance and a likely reduction in the interest costs, the company is likely to be PAT positive in FY25 and will consistently scale up in the subsequent years. The stock is currently trading at 9 times FY25 and 8 times FY26 EV by EBITDA, which is a discount of 30% to one of its closest peers, Sharekhan Hotels and other large hotel companies. Next, we have an update on Varun Beverages. Our analyst maintains positive view on Varun Beverages with a potential upside of 14%. Quarter 4 is expected to be another strong quarter for Varun Beverages with double-digit volume growth. The acquisition in South Africa is in line with the company's inorganic expansion strategy and will enable Varun to expand its geographical footprint in South Africa, which is the largest beverage market in Africa. Capacity addition in Jharkhand will help the company to cater to the rising demand for its product in Eastern market. Capacity to be enhanced by 45% over calendar year 22 with capex of Rs 2500 crore. Management expect asset turnover of 1.8 to 1.9 times. Expanding base in African regions augur well. Formed subsidiary in Mozambique to explore opportunities in new market. The stock is trading 81.3 times FY23 and 65.9 times calendar year 24 earnings. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.